welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all safe and thank you for tuning in. So today we're here with yet another video, but this is not the regular travel video. This is going to be my first unboxing video. As you all know, due to the pandemic, we're not allowed to go out, so no working out as well. So what I've done is I've ordered some fitness equipment from #fitness, and disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion. So let's get into the video now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this box here. Received 5 packages today. #fitness has requested its customers to make an unboxing video to claim any warranty or if there is any product missing in the box, because there's a huge list of stuff which comes. So that's another reason as well. We'll open these two first. Contents of this box is, here it is nothing but the weights, the rubber weights. So let's check them out. We have skipping rope and a lot of these weights. So we have 2 10 kilos, 4 of 5. Yeah, 4 of 5, 4 of 2 kilos. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, 3 kilos we have 4. And we have a skipping rope, and this is the traditional forearm exercise of 2 of them. Some locks for the rods, the 4 locks, and a pair of gloves. So that's 2 boxes. Yeah, I forgot. Here, these are the rods for the dumbbells. We need to put these weights on and lock them up. That's done. Let's put it aside. So all in all, there are 14 plates. We opened 2 boxes. We have 3 more to go. I don't know what's there in the big box. Let's check that out. Okay. Now that's a lot of stuff here, you know. So I found this sheet of paper. I'll have to make use of this and assemble that. Hope it's not going to be difficult. It looks simple, but have to do it alone. Let's see. I'm already sweating. Turn the fan on. has been raining outside, but even then the humidity is killing it. Okay, so that much for unboxing. Let's go ahead and assemble it now. So this is the next day. I was done fixing the entire equipment last evening. It took me about 2 to 2.5 hours approximately, something like that. It wasn't that tough. One person can do it. It's possible that you can fix it by yourself. You don't need any help. Apart from that, manually, you need to use that to get to know where what goes. Basic things, I'll tell you what issues I had with this, and I got a raise complaint with them, so they sent me a replacement for that particular part. So let's go check that. See this white bush? This will keep the plate attached here so it doesn't touch the metal there. And on this side, that bush is missing. That's kind of occupied the space. Okay, let's see if we can get this. You see these two, and you see there's one missing because the bolt doesn't align. The bolt comes from the other end, from here, and when it comes out here, this hole here, yeah, this one there. The bottom one is fine, and these two are great, but this one is not cut exactly. So I think we need to change this rod. I don't think it should be much of a problem, but still, just to be on the safer side. This is not a joke. You play with weights here. I don't want to take any chance. So we'll just raise a complaint regarding that and see what happens. Apart from that, yeah, the quality is not very great. This metal frame here, you see on the entire unit, it's not as thick as it's supposed to be, but I think for the money that I spent on this, it's worth it. Hope to make good use of it and stay fit. And one more thing was, I paid 14,300 and something. Let's see that. It's there on the bill. How much did we pay? 14,329 rupees. That is including shipment. So that's all about the 20-in-1 home gym with 60 kilos of rubber weights. But in this, what happens is, you see this upper unit here for your back exercises as well as your cable exercises. If you want to work out for your legs, that is here, you want to lift this, you can't sit here and do this. So what you have to do is you have to remove this unit completely and then work out. So basically once a week I will have to keep removing that and working out and then replacing it again. So that is, it's not a big task. There's just one small mode I'll show you. You see this knob? You just need to loosen this and lift this from this roof. Do all the workouts you want, and when you require the cables, place this back and use the cable workout for that. So that's all about our 20-in-1 home gym from #fitness. I will place a link in the description below, and if you have any further questions regarding this, do comment. Let's make sure we start working out as soon as possible and make use of this. So until the next video, stay safe, take care.